Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills Estate Agents. I'm on Caldy Road in Salford M6 to show you this beautifully presented 3-bedroom semi-detached property benefiting from gardens to the front and sides. Let's take a look inside. So as we enter the property, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway, which on your left opens on up is this lovely bay-fronted lounge. And then an additional bay-fronted dining room as we head towards the rear of the property. Then we have a nice modern fitted kitchen, providing access to the other garden at the side of the property, which is nicely presented. The property also benefits from off-road parking with a driveway and a detached garage as well. In a popular area, Irlam on the Height is well renowned for being within easy access of good local schooling, easy access of transport links throughout Manchester, including into Manchester city centre, and several well-kept parks as well. As we head upstairs, we have the third bedroom on your first right, then the second bedroom just through here, again a really good size, master bedroom towards the front of the property, or main bedroom should I say, and then we have this really contemporary 3-piece family bathroom. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.